Is your Visa gift card stuck on hold, preventing you from that much-awaited purchase? Don't worry, we'll walk you through the common reasons this happens and how to fix it. First, let's understand why your card might be on hold. The most frequent reasons include the card not being activated. Many gift cards require activation before use, usually online or via a phone call. Check the back of your card for activation instructions or visit the issuer's website. Often printed on the card, enter the card number and security code when prompted. If you are unsure, contact customer service. Another reason can be insufficient funds. Even if you think there's enough, always check your balance online or by calling the number provided on the card. Some merchants might pre-authorize a larger amount than the final purchase, placing a temporary hold. A very common culprit is incorrect billing information. Some online transactions require you to enter a billing address associated with the card. Often, you can use your own address here. Try entering your name and address when purchasing. For the billing address, you can try your home address. If it asks for a zip code, be sure it is correct. If that does not work, try the Visa gift card issuer's address. Follow these steps and there is a high chance your Visa gift card will work. Now you can finally get what you want.